The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 28. Lesson topic, Revision. Produced by Surafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Students, do you remember the last week's song? All right. It was a goodbye song.
Yes, we have to leave you soon song.
But we have to leave today.
Oh, yes. So why don't we sing as we have to leave you now rather than soon?
That's interesting. Students, now listen to Tola and Azib singing the We Have to Leave You Now song. Listen.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you now. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you now. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you now. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Students, now sing the song with Tola and Azib again. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you now. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you now. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you now. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
That's very good, students.
Azib, what are we going to do now?
I think we are going to revise.
You're right, Azib. Students, this is our last program for this year. So we are going to revise what we learned in the second semester. Now, listen to Tola and Azib doing so. Listen.
Tola, will you go home for your vacation?
Of course.
But you didn't go home on your last vacation.
Yes, I stayed here with my uncle.
Can you tell me what you did on your last vacation?
Yes, I can.
That's good, Tola. Students, now listen to Tola and Azib telling each other what they did on their last vacation. That is, in the first semester break. Listen.
Tola, please tell me what you did on your last vacation.
Okay. I visited the National Museum.
Uh-huh.
I read short stories.
Okay.
I played football with my friends.
That's good.
Now it's your turn, Azib.
Okay.
What did you do on your last vacation?
Well, I visited my grandmother.
Uh-huh.
I planted flowers in our garden.
Uh-huh.
I read English books.
Okay.
I helped my family.
That's very good, Tola and Azib. Students, now do like Tola and Azib did. In your pairs, tell your partner what you did on your last vacation. Teacher, please help your students in telling each other what they did on their last vacation. Go around and help them in taking turns. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you now. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you now. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you now. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
That's good, students. Students, now let's revise the use of the past perfect tense. I hope you know that the past perfect tense is used to express an action in the past which happened before another past action.
That means we use it for the first action?
Yes, the first action in the past is expressed by the past perfect tense.
And the second action by the simple past.
That's right. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb practicing the tense. Listen.
Azeb, can you tell me step by step what you did this morning?
Yes. First, I got up at 6 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
After I had got up, I put on my clothes.
Uh-huh.
After I had put on my clothes, I washed my face.
Okay.
After I had washed my face, I combed my hair.
Okay.
After I had combed my hair, I ate breakfast.
Uh-huh.
After I had eaten breakfast, I came to school.
That's very good, Tola and Azeb. Students, now do in the same way. In your pairs, tell your partner step by step what you did this morning. Teacher, please go around and help your students in taking turns. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you now. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you now. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you now. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
That's very good, students. Students, now let's talk about the time it would take if we traveled by different means of transportation. Listen to Tola and Azeb doing so. Listen, Tola and Azeb, tell me the time it would take from the school to your home.
Okay.
First, Tola, how long would it take if you went by bus?
It would take 5 minutes.
That's good. Now, Azeb, how long would it take if you went on foot?
It would take about an hour.
But how long would it take if you went by bicycle?
It would take about 20 minutes.
Good. Now, Tola, how long would it take to your home if you went on foot?
Well, it would take about 15 minutes.
Very good, Tola and Azeb. Students, now doing the same way with your teacher. Teacher, please ask your students one by one how long it would take from the school to their home if they went by different means of transportation. For example, call a student by name and say, how long would it take if you went on foot, or by bus, by bicycle, on horse, and so on. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song one more time again. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye, goodbye, we have to leave you now. We said hello, we said how are you? We have to leave you now. We said fine, thanks and you. We have to leave you now. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time for us to go. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
That's very good, students. Students, that's all we have for you for this year. And now, it's time for us to leave you.
Yes, it's time to leave.
Goodbye,
teacher.
Goodbye, students. Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 28, written and produced by Srafil Zode. That was all we have for you for this year. We hope to join again next year in Grade 9. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.